What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? Hey, what's up? What is going on? My name is Rabbi Jones, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to get a very sharp image. You see, whenever I post on Instagram, my images are very sharp. I have like crisp look. Yes, my designs have all those type of things. So yeah, let me show you the things that mostly I do. I don't really do it all the time, but then let me show you what I do. Okay, so after you're done with the work, so this is a political design I did for a client. I didn't record this because I was just figuring out how to get out the concept and everything. So let's say you are done with your design, very quick design. You just select all the stuffs in the layers, the background, the whatever. Then you just shift Control E to merge the whole thing. So you see merge visible here, it's going to merge the whole thing. Then you just wait for it. For my PC is going to load, but then I don't know what your PC is going to do. Then afterwards, you're just going to select the background, select filter, then enter camera raw. Okay, so my camera raw is 13 point something, I don't know, like I've forgotten, but then let's wait for it. Yeah, so we're going to do something that is going to help the images pop up. It's going to give the images a very sharp look. It's going to enhance it. So when you send it to the client and the client posts on social media, it's still going to have the kind of quality that we're looking for. Yes, so okay, we have the camera raw here. Nice. So now we have camera raw 13.1. Very cool. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you have exposure, you have contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, whatever. First thing you have to do is just move on to clarity. Add a little bit of clarity to it. So there's the clarity that I just added. Yes, it gives the image this kind of very sharp look. Like, I don't know how to put it. Let me just zoom in a little bit. No, zoom out. The zooming should be like 33. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now we have the image set to 33. So the clarity should be at probably like 27, or I don't know, it depends on what you're doing at your end. Okay, then afterwards you move on to texture. So we have texture here. Just bring the texture a little bit forward, not very much, not too much, a little bit. So plus 13 is cool. Then you move to detail. So the detail, we have sharpen here, so you're just going to slide the sharpen somewhere forward like so. Then afterwards, let's bring the view back to fit in view, so that we can have the whole thing. Okay, so we have the whole thing here. So after bringing the sharpen forward a little bit, so right now I have like 48 here, and the radius, I don't know, the radius you can tune it according to how you want it to be. And when it comes to the detail too, you can add a little bit, because the detail is what is happening to the image. The kind of I don't know how to put it, but then the feel that you're going to have all depends on the detail. Then we move on to the masking. So with the masking, if you want to see where the sharpen or the detailing is applying to, you hold alternate. So right now I'm holding alternate. Then you just drag on the masking. So when you start dragging, you're going to see these white and black kind of threshold, and the white areas is where the sharpen is affecting. So if you want it to affect like a very small amount of area, you just keep gliding, and it's going to affect just a little space of it, you understand? So for this one, I'm just going to bring it a little bit backwards, so that we have more of the whites that we want it to affect. Yes, then afterwards you leave the alternate and you're good to go. Okay, so now we're just going to click on OK, because we are done with whatever we're doing here. So I'm clicking on OK, and it's going to load into the work real quick. Okay, so let's just give it a little bit time. Okay, it's here, so let's wait for it to load very shortly. So whenever you post it and everything. Okay, so it's loaded now, and yes, this is what we have. I wish I can show you guys the before and after, but I think I have something here that I can do. I'm going to create a new workspace in A3 format. Then I'm going to put the before and the after in, so that you guys can see how it's going to look like. Okay, so I've clicked on my file and new. I have a slow PC, but then I really force. One day I'm going to show you the kind of PC I use, but not today. Okay, so we have the new document in. It's still going to delay me a little bit, but it's still going to come though. So just a little while. Come on. Okay, so I have A3 here. I'm just going to select A3 and hit create, and it's going to pop up real quick. Oh, come on. Okay, so let me just rotate this real quick, so 90 degrees clockwise. Then I'm going to bring in the edited image, the one that we just did. So I'm just going to drag into the new workspace. Okay, then scale it up a little bit. Very nice. Then I'm going to bring in the unedited one, the one that I the first one that I saved that I didn't have the effect on it. So that one too is here. It's going to load very quickly. It depends. It's going to pass through Camera Raw first before it comes to the workspace. So let's just wait a little bit for this guy. Okay, so Camera Raw first, then just click on enter, and it comes through to the workspace. Oh, come on. I'm going to load this too. Yeah, so it's in now. So yes, let me just make a quick comparison so you guys see what we're looking at here. Yeah, okay, so let me zoom in so that you can see the effect that we did to the first image. Okay, so now if you are seeing this, the image on the right is very sharp, very detailed, and it has the kind of, I don't know, look at it very well. Yes, this is what we're talking about. And when you send to the client and the client post, you're still going to have the quality and everything very intact. So look at this one and look at this one. There's a vast difference in this. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's god damn it. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, I'll make sure to see you in another one. There's going to be a fourth part of 6 fonts you need for your designs in 2022. So yeah, you guys should anticipate. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.